2024 is truly the year of Motorola. They are going to absolutely take off with this Motorola 50 brand new flippable phone coming out this year. Not only is it going to come out with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, this thing is going to be lightning fast. It's going to be just like last year's model, except there are rumors that it might have a bigger outside display. And not only that, it's also rumored now that the budget model, that is the, I think it was $499, I want to say, maybe $599. The one that had like no outside display, that is now going to get an outside display. And not only that, it's going to get a big outside display. So now if you want to join the flippable phone market, but you don't want to spend the money, you can now do it for a pretty damn good budget. So, again, it's that kind of perspective, which I feel like is going to send, Motorola very far. Because when you look at Motorola's flippable phones versus everyone else's, yeah, there are some things that are better, like, for example, 144 hertz inside the inside display, while other phones, flippable phones-wise, have 120 hertz. Actually, speaking of that, I don't think there's any foldable phone either that does 144 hertz like Motorola does with their inside display. If I might be incorrect there. I don't believe there is a phone out there, but with that being said, they also are the only phone company that have a budget phone. I mean, they have a, regular version and then a budget version. Obviously, there's rumors of maybe Samsung will eventually go there. They've already denied any rumors that they're going to go toward a budget foldable for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but maybe they'll do it for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, right? But again, those are all rumors, all speculations, all things that might happen, might not happen. Motorola's already doing it. Motorola's already in that. They're like, hey, listen, we know what the consumer wants. We know that they want a budget version. Not everyone has the money. And that's why, again, I love Motorola for that said reason, because that is an absolute W for Motorola there. Being able to actually, not only know what your consumer wants, but also giving the consumer the cheapest possible option where they still can, enjoy and have fun if they can't afford it. So, again, more reasons why you gotta love Motorola. But this year is going to be, in my opinion, Motorola's year. And a lot of the reasons why is because Samsung isn't really doing anything special. Their, brand new Z Flip 6, Z Fold 6 is going to be pretty much the same as last year. Nothing crazy different, which, again, is kind of disappointing, but also very much expected. And then, other than that, OnePlus is just going to be a rebrand of the Oppo Find Fold 4, which I don't know. We'll see how that ends up turning out. I mean, Oppo always has amazing products, don't get me wrong. But other than that, though, Google Pixel Fold 2, I still hate the iteration, how much it's different and how they're changing it. But yeah, so I think it's been Motorola's year. That's pretty much my speculation at this point. Especially with, again, you doing the budget options, going the extra beyond with the 141st hertz displays. It's just little things like that that keeps them on top. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Dose.